Good morning, children. Today we are doing exercise 4 because in previous class we have done exercise 3. See exercise 4. Here is question number 1. This is of your new textbook. Okay, I have shown you which book will you prescribed for this year. Okay, so see, this is 1 number question, and in this question you are asked to put sign, this sign or this sign. This sign means greater than and this sign means less than. So in this question, as you can see in this question, you have to judge about the number and you have to compare first number then second number, and if what you think, if first number is greater than another number, then you will put greater than sign, and if first number is less than another number, then you will put less than sign, this sign. Okay, so just first see question and now see question number 2. This is later we will solve. This is question number 2, and in this question you are asking arrange the following numbers in descending order. Children, you all have practiced this type of questions. In this question you have to decide and put the numbers in order which you are asking to do. In this question you are asking to put the number in descending order, in which first you have to set the greater number and then lower number. Greater to lower, this is order called descending order. Okay, now see question number 3. In this question, as you can see, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So in question number 3 you are asking to arrange the numbers in ascending order. It means ascending order means from lesser to greater, means first you have to set lesser number and then after greater number. Okay, so now we are doing here solution. So question number first come question number 1, in which you are asking to put the appropriate sign. Okay. Now see, so I am doing here, for example, question number E, H, J of question number 1. For instance, for explaining you how you will solve these type of questions, so you have to first decide first number, you have to compare first number then second number. So as I have earlier told you, to read number, to understand number, you have to put comma. So I am putting here comma, first comma here, second here and here. The same way I will put comma also here. Now you can see, you can read the number. This number is 3,56,72,416 and this number is 3,56,70,590. So you have to compare in both these numbers. You have to compare these both numbers. So see, in crore place, in both numbers there are 3 is given. In the lakh place 56 is given in both numbers. The thousand period 72 here is given and here is 70 given. It means in the thousand place here is 2 and here is 0. So you can understand that this number will be greater than this. So you have to put here this symbol. This is greater than symbol. So this number is greater than this. So we will put here this symbol. This is greater than symbol. Okay, now see H number. First we will put comma. In the same way I have already told you from from the beginning of right, first three digit belong to ones period, another second 2 digit belong to thousand, another 2 for lakh, another 2 for crore. So this number will be 75 crore 8,90,315, and after putting comma we will be able to read this number. This number is 75 crore 8,90,410. So now we have to compare these numbers. First number we are looking here in the crore place. In the both number 75 is given. The lakh place in the both numbers 8 lakh is given. In the 10,000 place in the both number 9 is given. 1000 place both number having 0. 100 place in this number 3 is given, and this number is here 4 is given. It means this number is less than this, because it having in 100 place 3 and it having in 100 place 4. So we will put less than symbol. So we are putting here less than. Likewise, see J number question. First we will separate the periods in the number, and now we will read this number as 91 crore 72 lakh 63,954, and this number will be read as 91 crore 72 lakh 60,954. So let's compare these two numbers. In the crore place, in the both number 91 is given. In the lakh place, both number having 72. The thousand place, in the 10,000 place, both number 6 are having, but in the 1000 place, first number having 3 and another number having 0. So we can easily understand that this number is greater than this, because this is having in 1000 place 3 and this is having 0. Okay, so we will put which sign? Greater than sign. So we are giving here greater than sign. So now you can able to understand and the way by which you will solve this type of questions. Now come to solve question number 2. Now see question number 2. Arrange the following numbers in descending orders. These are questions A to E are given to you for solving. I am taking here only one example for show you the way by which you will solve this type of question. So remember, in this question you are asking to put the numbers in descending order. So see question number 2. Question number C I am showing here how you will solve this. So first put the comma in these numbers by which you can understand and read the number, and you will be able to judge which number is greater and which number is less. So this number is 6 crore 27 lakh 90,568. This number is 62 crore 79 lakh 5,480. This number is 6 crore 27 lakh 91,023. This number is 62 crore 79 lakh 5,623, and this number is 6 crore 27 lakh 90,931. So in descending order we have to set the number first greater number. So which number is greater among these numbers? So see, here is 62 crore and here is also 62 crore. In these two numbers we have to compare. Here is 79 lakh, here is also 79 lakh, here is also 5,000, here is also 5,000. In the ones period here is 480 or here is 623. It means this numeral is larger than this number. So we will set this numerals first. So we will write 62 crore 79 lakh 5,623. We will put greater than sign. Next time we will set the numbers less than this number. So this number is, but it should be greater than forecoming number. So here will be this number, we will put this sign. This sign is greater than sign. Now come in the crore place. In these three numbers, the crores numbers, in the crore place 6 is given. Here is 27. Here is also 27. In the lakh place, here is also 27. In the thousand place 90. Here is 91. Here is 90. So here is 91 is greater. So this number will put set here 6 crore 27 lakh 91,023. Now we have to compare with in these two numbers. Now see, crore, lakh and thousand place, both number having same digits. Now in one's place, here is 568 and here is 931. It clearly shows that this number is greater than this number. So this number will be put set first, and this number is, we are putting here 90,931. We will put this sign, and now what will we write? 6 crore 27 lakh 90,568. So like this way you will solve all the questions of question number 2. So I think you all are understanding the way. Now come question number 3. See children, this is question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order, and in this number you have to arrange the number in ascending order. Here is A to E. Questions are given to you. I am taking here for instance an example. So see, this is question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Children, you all know that in ascending order you have to set first lesser number, and then after you will set the greater number. From less to great, this is the order of ascending order. So first we will put comma to understand the number. And we are putting here comma. Now see, this number is 74 crore 31 lakh 62,109. This number is 30 crore 42 lakh 88,713. This number is 56 crore 19 lakh 45,107. This number is 8 crore 95 lakh 90,788. And this number is 60 crore 23 lakh 57,100. So we have to set first lesser number, lesser among in all numbers, which is extreme less in this numerals. So see, here is 74 crore, here is 30 crore, here is 56 crore, here is only 8 crore, here is 60 crore. So this number is lesser among all numbers. So we will put here this number first, and in ascending order we have to set this sign, less than sign. And now compare to this number, which is the greater number. So here see, here is 60 crore, 56 crore, 30 crore, 74 crore. So 30 crore is the greater from this number. So we will set here this number. We will again set this sign. Now come, which is the greater from these numbers compared to this number. Here is 74 crore, here is 56 crore, here is 60 crore. Then we are able to judge this number will be here. Again we will set this sign. Now in comparing to these two numbers, here is 74 crore, here is 60 crore, so 60 crores number will be, we are $100, and now this number we will write here. And now we have solved this number, and we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. See, in the ascending order, lesser to greater, this is the arranging order. Okay, now come question number 4. See, this is question number 4 of exercise 4. Encircle the largest number in each of the following. A to D questions are given to you. For instance, for showing you the way to solve this type of question, I am taking here an example. So see how will we solve this type of questions. See question number 4. This is question number 4. Encircle the largest number in each of the following. So here we are taking D number. This is the number, these are numbers, and we have to encircle that number which is largest among these numbers. So first we understand which number is largest. We will put comma. The process to put comma is same as I have earlier told you. Now see, this number is 90 lakh 9. This number is 9 crore 1. This number is 99 lakh 35,469. This number is 8 crore 75 lakh 90,909. And this number is 8 crore 88 lakh 88,888. We have to put the circle in which number which is larger than among in these all numbers. This is 10 lakhs number, this is 9 crores number, this is 99 lakhs number, this is having 8 crore in crore place, this is having 8 in crore place. So this number having 9 in crore place, which is the largest among all these numbers. So we will encircle this number, and by this way you will solve this type of question. So now you have seen that question exercise 4. How will you will solve this type of question. Rest questions you will solve at your home regularly. Keep your practice continue. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.